This is Topic 16, Lesson 5, Median, Mode, and Range. Our essential question is, how do you find those three, median, mode, and range? And they go right along with the mean from the previous lesson. When you take a group or a set of data, and what are you going to do with it? And we have three new things to do. Let's start with median. Median is the middle number when the numbers in a data set are in order. And that's the first part. When you get a set of data, you get a bunch of numbers, you need to put them in order. And then how I remember it very easily is median and middle. Kind of like a medium soft drink, the middle drink, the one that's right in the middle. So that's what we're going to be looking at for median. Then we have mode. Mode is the number or numbers that occur most often in the data. Mode, most, they go very well together. Most and mode. It's the number or numbers that occur most often in the data set. Then we have range. That is the difference between the greatest and least number in a data set. And your clue right there is difference, so you know you're going to subtract. So let's say we were given a set of data. For example here, the weather in Los Angeles. You'll see this on the news, you'll see it online, and they give you a group of numbers. And we're going to look at just these numbers right here, these ones in yellow. And of course, it is the predicted weather forecast for the week, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And you have 81, 81 on Sunday. Monday 79 degrees, Tuesday's 84 degrees, Wednesday is 80 degrees. So what are we going to do? Well, we want to find the median. So the first thing we have to do, as we said before, is you need to put the numbers in order. So from least to greatest, we'll put down 79, and then we will put down 80, 81, and even though 81 is there, there's two of them, so we need to write both of them down, and then of course 84. So now the median, and again it is that middle numbers, one right in the middle. And we can take a look at this way. There are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 total numbers. And there are 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and so our median number is 81. So one that's right in the middle. And when you have a set of even numbers, we'll have to talk about that later, but here we have an odd set. We know the one right in the middle is 81. That is our median. Next is mode. So again, by now we should have already had our numbers in order, so let's go ahead and do that again. We have 79, 80, 80, 81, 81, and of course 84. And again, the mode is which number occurs the most. Remember, mode equals most often. And here we can easily see the one that happens the most is 81, because there's two 81s, and everything else just is one of them. So 179, 180, 184, but there are two 81s. That is our mode. And then we have range. Range is, again, the difference between the greatest number and the least number. So our greatest number is 84. And our least is 79. So if we go ahead and subtract that, if you need to, you can go ahead and put it in a way that's easier for you to see, and just subtract. So 4 minus 9, of course we can't do that. But we can do 14 minus 9, which is 5, and then 7 minus 7 is 0. So our range is 5. That is the difference between the greatest number on our data set and the least. It's our range. So try this on your own. Here is a group of numbers, a set of data. So pause and try all three. Try the median, the mode, and the range with this set. Good luck. Okay, Well, let's see how you did. You should have taken the numbers and put them in order from least to greatest. And if we go back and check our numbers, those are our original set. And we go back to here and we can see 67, 70, 70, 73, and 75. So they are in order. So once again, we want to look at what is our median, our middle number. And we have 2 over here, we have 2 over here, and this one's in the middle by itself. So 70 is our median. Next is mode, and again, mode is which occurs most often. And we can see here that there are 2 70s, so 70 is our mode. And finally, range. Range, again, you take the greatest number in the set, subtract it from the least, so you have 75 minus 67, and you subtract, and you get 8. So our range is 8. So for now, only try sets of data with odd groups of numbers, like they have 3 numbers or 5 numbers or 7 and so forth. Only work with those right now. We'll try even ones at a later time. Now, go try some on your own. Good luck.